is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, what are we doing?
Getting a new location.
We are
Switching a machine.
We are upgrading a machine and we're getting a new location. So we are at the
Storage unit.
Thank you. You did already say that. So we're gonna get some stock from here. It's a bit dark in here, so bear with. And then we are going to Best Ways, getting more stock, and I've got some stock in the van as well. And then yeah, we are gonna take you to the first location where we're upgrading the machine to a bigger machine, and then we're gonna go to the new location, put that in, and then fill them up.
Huh?
Oh, B-roll.
Oh,
Damn. Damn. Oh, monster, damn. I hate when you don't have a full pack of water.
Oh damn. Oh damn.
Good.
Oh ew.
Looks like a potato's filming this. Alright, so we've pretty much just emptied the storage unit and we still need more stuff, so please don't want me. Look at that gap. Oh yeah, shit, we need to go downstairs.
Yeah.
Woo, it's cold. Look,
I'm chasing after the dude.
Strong. Yeah, man. So, we're currently in Best Ways. We're eating Rebels.
Got some Jamaica cake.
Did Jamaica cake? Right. We're just seeing if there's anything different we can put in the machine. Vending machine. Let's get the Coke Zero. These ones. Are the Coke Zero ones? Alright guys, so we're at the new location. We put the machine from the other location into this one, and now we're filling it up. So let's go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That last one for that. Alright, so we didn't film much in there because honestly I'm so hungry, I just wanted to get out. But that was the new location. We took that vending machine out of, I'm not going to say the location because I always say it and then Megan shouts at me. So we took that vending machine out of the previous location and put it in that location. So we're going to go and get some food because we're both absolutely starving. And then we're gonna go back to the other location that we put a bigger machine in, fill it up, and we'll film more in there because we didn't film very much in there. We might have to go back to Best Ways as well because I think we're running out of Coke. Typical, we always run out of Coke. But yeah, horrible. Turn me up when you feel low.
Give me your gun.
Oh, let me hold your hands. Oh, apparently I'm bleeding.
Oh, please go and get some tissue.
Guys, I'm bleeding. I didn't even feel it.
The guy's
Did you pick all yellow? I was gonna say. Chunky monkey. Look at a chunky little guy. And that. So we just had to change out. I had to make one of the trays a little bit higher up so we could fit the bottles in. And don't you just say a little bit warm. Then Megan dropped the tray on my head.
She didn't drop the tray on your head.
Yeah,
The
she
tray
did.
slipped.
Okay, the tray slipped out of my hand and it fell on my head.
No, it slipped off the side.
Oh, right, okay. So that's it today. I got a little bit of a headache. It's okay, I love you. I love you. My bestie.
Megan, the red cheeked human.
I'm hot.
Yeah.
I'm really hot.
Look, flushed away is a cracking film.
Oh, I love that. Is that with the mice?
Yes.
Are they rats?
Nice.
That's scary. There's never really anybody in here.
And there's a pigeon.
There's people in here. Alright, so we just spent a long time in the location because we had an issue. Yeah, around about that time.
Exactly.
And oh, hello door. And yeah, I'll insert a picture here of what the machine looked like.
Well done to the photographer.
Thank you to Megan. But yeah, so we just got stressed out and it was very loud in the break room, so we just left. So now we're putting all the stock away. This is what the stock looks like. So we're just about to put it away in the storage unit. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. We pretty much just put a new location in and upgraded the current location that we had. And yeah, it was really fun. It was a long day though. We was out for like 12 hours altogether. So, and it's very cold.
It's not nice.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna get this in. But if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, turn the post notifications on, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. But yeah, cue the outro.
Here's my Instagram.
Here's Meg's Instagram. Cue the outro.
10 toes down on my ride with